boasting 2.36 acres of privilege and privacy within an exclusive enclave of multi-million-dollar estates. Welcome to the magnificence and luxury offered by 14 Fielding Court. The impressive exterior grounds showcase a gated entrance, 10,000 square feet of unistone landscaping, as well as professionally maintained gardens front and back, and both an attached garage and a detached garage, plus an extensive driveway, all providing up to 24 vehicle parking in total. This absolutely stunning custom estate home boasts 8,500 square feet of exquisitely appointed living space throughout that was professionally designed with the highest quality workmanship and style. Beyond the stately front entrance and set within the stone flooring of the reception area is a beautiful inlay, with your eye drawn immediately to the romantic grace of a floating hardwood staircase with an ornamental iron baluster, then upwards to the cathedral ceiling of a foyer with limestone walls and the first of many impressive chandeliers. To the left are gorgeous leaded glass wood French doors opening into a grand Victorian-style den with a wall of south-facing windows, and finished with floor-to-ceiling hardwood, including its flooring, wainscoting, box beam ceiling, as well as wall-to-wall cabinetry with a media niche and the warmth of a gas fireplace. Throughout the main level are remarkable appointments: hardwood or stone-tiled flooring, ornate crown moldings and ceiling medallions, upgraded interior trims and baseboards, custom draperies, wall sconces and pot lighting, as well as impressive chandeliers that illuminate the principal rooms, with the chandelier in the sunken great room suspended from a soaring cathedral ceiling. This grand entertaining space has two garden door walkouts to the backyard, both with two-story arched windows above them, arched accent windows on the east and west walls, while surrounding its gas fireplace is an elaborately crafted floor-to-ceiling custom limestone mantle. The chef-inspired gourmet kitchen has been designed to bring together functionality and elegance, creating a work and family space that will make you feel right at home. The custom cabinetry is beautifully trimmed, has glass-paneled stacked upper cabinets, a chef's desk, and is finished with granite counters, and the center island has a stainless steel refuse drawer as well as seating, while above is an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling with a circular coffered center. A built-in stainless steel cappuccino machine, microwave, and two Wolf wall ovens flank a built-in Wolf cooktop, complete with a limestone range hood surround and an accent inlay with the stone backsplash. And stainless steel is also seen with the built-in side-by-side fridge freezer, dishwasher, bar fridge, as well as the double sink. The breakfast area enjoys panoramic outdoor views and has garden doors to the backyard, while as a subtle finishing touch for these stunning spaces are mosaic inlays with their stone flooring. Off the kitchen is a combined butler's pantry and laundry area with access to the triple car garage and a separate entry to a side patio, front load washer and dryer, custom cabinetry with granite counters and a stainless steel sink, a double closet, and one of two beautifully appointed main level powder rooms. And there are also secondary staircases to the upper and lower levels from this space. With its ornate appointments, deep wall color, and chandelier, the formal dining room exudes a Victorian-style aura of grace and elegance. Flooded with bright natural light through a grand Palladian window on its south wall, this breathtaking entertaining space, as well as the den and the master bedroom, all showcase leaded glass French door entries with interior transoms. The foyer also has a walk-in coat closet with wood organizers, and directly across is the primary powder room, which has been opulently appointed with stone finishes, including the mirror frame and a unique pedestal sink. The epitome of luxury, the outstanding master suite is a showpiece of impeccable design and interior decorating. A trimmed semicircular drop ceiling with limestone wall columns creates a permanent canopy for a bed. The double-sided gas fireplace is surrounded by an exquisite floor-to-ceiling limestone mantle and is shared with a sunken sitting area showcasing a Grecian column glass display shelf along a turret wall full of windows, which have garden doors opening onto the master suite's private backyard deck and its hot tub. There are 2 walk-in closets with custom wood organizers, and this luxurious bedroom would not be complete without an equally luxurious ensuite washroom. Lavishly appointed with stone finishes throughout, this private spa space has a ceiling canopy with Grecian columns above its 2-person step-up jacuzzi tub, an oversized glass shower with a seat and a spa system, as well as a gorgeous custom vanity with granite counter and stone vessel basins. The upper level showcases many of the same appointments seen on the main level, and where the upper hall is open to below is finished with either an ornamental iron baluster or glass railings. The 3 bedrooms on this level are quite generous in size and have oversized windows with north or south-facing exposures, with both south-facing bedrooms having walk-in closets. The first of the 2 south-facing bedrooms has a semi-private ensuite washroom featuring a wall nook that is ideal for makeup vanity, stone finishes throughout, a wood vanity with glass vessel basins, as well as a glass shower with a seat and a spa system. This washroom is shared with the north-facing bedroom, which was converted into a dressing room with built-in wardrobes, 2 double closets, and a window seat with storage. The second south-facing bedroom has a contemporary light fixture, as well as semi-private access to the common-use washroom, which features a wood vanity with a granite counter, upgraded tiled finishes throughout, and a glass shower with a spa system. When the entertaining is high-spirited and boisterous, or if having a space away from the main household is desired, the upper level additionally features a huge loft above the triple-car garage. Featuring the coziness of Berber broadloom, illuminated by modern chandeliers suspended from a custom ceiling application, and having 5 windows with 3 exposures for great natural lighting, the loft offers ideal recreational space for sleepovers with friends, a music and media room, or an artist studio, and is also accessible via a staircase from the butler's pantry. With an impressively sized layout and divided into 2 distinct wings, the fully developed lower level showcases an extraordinary entertaining lounge, exceptional personal spaces, and a phenomenal place to go when stress is overwhelming. Off the lower hallway, the east wing of this level features abundant storage space and has 4 rooms, all with the coziness of Berber broadloom. 3 of these rooms have double closets, 1 has a walk-in closet, all have wall sconces, with the 2 largest rooms additionally brightened with pot lighting. There is also a secondary staircase to access this level from the butler's pantry, and at the end of the hall is the fitness room, which also has Berber broadloom and pot lighting, as well as mirrored interior walls with a glass exterior wall and entry door, while directly across is the convenience of a washroom, luxuriously appointed with stone finishes, a wood vanity, and a glass shower with a seat. Through a double French door entry is the West Wing's outstanding entertaining lounge. Here, garden doors with a stone-tiled landing open to a stone walk-up so the entertaining can spill to the outdoors, and above this space is a decorative ceiling with recessed lighting. Conversation in the sitting room is centered around the warmth of a gas fireplace with an impressive limestone mantle, and there is another gas fireplace with an ornate limestone mantle in the bar area, which has a wood-finished wine cellar, while the custom wood wet bar has granite counters, a wine glass rack, and a stainless steel sink. Its cabinets extended along the wall and topped with a fish tank. Need to de-stress? Beyond the entertainment lounge are French doors opening into a spa suite with stone finishes throughout, a steam room, a seating area with a linen closet, a shower area with glass door, a sauna room, and a 2-piece washroom with stone appointments. The lounge and spa area both additionally feature pot lights and ceiling speakers, and the entertaining would not be complete without a grand home theater room with a surround sound system, screen, projector, and a wood snack bar with a beverage fridge. This home also showcases 3 furnaces, 3 central air conditioning units, a heated triple-car garage, plus a separate detached garage that provides parking for 12 vehicles as well as offering workshop space, and is surrounded by trees for ultimate privacy. The professionally landscaped and beautifully maintained backyard showcases a massive unistone patio with perennial gardens, lounging and entertaining areas, as well as a heated in-ground saltwater pool, while a deck stretches across the walkout from the breakfast area to those from the great room. And there is also a unistone driveway extension and side patio on the east side of the home. A truly magnificent estate home, nestled in a very desirable location at the end of a cul-de-sac, surrounded by the forested landscape of Northwest Ajax's South Greenwood community. 14 Fielding Court is the embodiment of privilege, privacy, and exclusivity.